Title: Pressure switches. A brief overview. What is a pressure switch? A pressure switch is a device that uses pressure to operate a switch. It is a type of sensor that measures the pressure of a fluid or gas and then activates or deactivates an electrical circuit when the pressure reaches a certain level. Components of a pressure switch. A pressure switch consists of the following components. Housing. The housing protects the internal components and is made of durable materials like metal or plastic. Diaphragm or bellows mechanism. This is a flexible membrane that deforms under pressure changes, converting the force into mechanical movement. Electrical contacts. These are connected to an electrical circuit and can be either normally open, NO, or normally closed, NC. Adjusting mechanism. This allows the user to adjust the set point and differential of the pressure switch. Operating principle of a pressure switch. The operating principle of a pressure switch is based on mechanical deflection. When the fluid pressure reaches a specific threshold, it causes the diaphragm or bellows to deflect, thereby activating or deactivating the electrical contacts. Set point and differential. The set point is the pressure level at which the switch triggers a response, such as turning on or off a system or signaling an alarm. The differential, also known as hysteresis, is the difference between the activation and deactivation set points. It prevents rapid cycling of the switch due to minor pressure fluctuations near the set point. Sensing elements. Different pressure switches use various sensing elements based on the application and pressure range to be monitored. Common sensing elements include diaphragms and bellows. Diaphragm pressure switches are suitable for low to moderate pressure ranges, while bellows pressure switches are used for higher pressure ranges. These elements are often made of materials compatible with the fluid being monitored, such as stainless steel, brass, or elastomers. Applications of pressure switches. Pressure switches find applications in a wide range of industries and systems. They are used in hydraulic and pneumatic systems, HVAC systems, process control systems, water and wastewater management, automotive systems, and more. Pressure switches can monitor system pressure, control pumps and compressors, activate safety devices, detect leaks, and provide feedback for automated processes. Safety and reliability. Safety and reliability are crucial considerations for pressure switches. They play a critical role in maintaining system safety, preventing damage, and protecting personnel. Pressure switches need to be reliable, accurate, and properly calibrated to ensure they respond appropriately to pressure changes. Conclusion. Pressure switches are devices used to detect and respond to fluid pressure changes. They consist of a housing, a diaphragm or bellows mechanism, electrical contacts, and an adjusting mechanism. Pressure switches are adjustable, with set points and differentials, and use different sensing elements based on the pressure range. They are employed in various applications to monitor and control systems, ensuring safety, efficiency, and optimal performance.